I've been waiting for this woman of my dreams. From out of nowhere, you came into my world. From out of nowhere, yeah, you turned my world upside down. An angel from heaven, you touched my heart. My heart has found a new beat, rhythm inspired by your heartbeat and next to mine. I won't let you go, can't let you out of my life. My heart in your hands, I ask you to be my wife. An angel from heaven, you touched my heart. Tears unbidden, they stream down my face as you walk down the aisle. My dreams reflected in your eyes. Your white wedding dress, it shimmered and shined. Your halo-like veil, your face hid enshrined. An angel from heaven, you touched my heart. Before God, our family and friends, we vowed this day forever to be true, to have and to hold from this day forward, for rich or for poor, for better or for worse. An angel from heaven, you touched my heart. I wanna hold you and enfold you till death